Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a to-do list inside Clickup in the updated 2026 layout. This is perfect if you're running a Shopify store or just trying to stay organized with daily business tasks. It's really simple, so yeah, you don't need to be a Clickup expert to follow along. Here's how to set it up. First, choose where your to-do list will live. You can use any space you want, whether that's a space for your Shopify store, marketing, product management, or personal admin work. Inside that space, click Add List and give it a name like To Do or Daily Tasks, so it's easy to recognize and come back to whenever you need it. Now start adding tasks with the Add Task button. Type whatever you need to get done, like uploading new products, optimizing product pages, answering customer emails, or running ads. If a task has smaller steps, open it and add subtasks to break everything down. This is especially useful for bigger projects, like launching a new product or preparing a sales campaign, so nothing gets missed. For a simple workflow, keep statuses like To Do, Doing, and Done. This makes it super clear what needs attention and what's already finished. If you want something even lighter and less structured, you can use checklists inside the task instead, which works great for quick daily routines or repetitive Shopify tasks. Then add due dates, reminders, or priorities so ClickUp can notify you when things are due. This is key if you're juggling multiple responsibilities because it helps you stay on track and avoid last-minute stress. You can also switch between List View, Board View, or Calendar View, depending on how you like to see your tasks and plan your week. On mobile, just tap the plus button, add a task, and it syncs instantly. This is really handy if you're on the go, checking orders, or thinking of ideas while away from your desk. You can capture tasks right away without forgetting them. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials to help you run your Shopify store more efficiently. If you have any questions about ClickUp or how to organize your store tasks, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.